It came down here last night, headed back to the trail now. It's over here somewhere. Good morning. So I got a ride back to the trail from Boots Off. I only have 12 or 13 miles back to Boots Off because they drove south to get me, and originally my plan was to pass Boots Off today and still hike 25 miles today, but now I'm gonna have a short day, 12 or 13 miles. Whoop. Okay, this hike is so beautiful so far. It's like the first couple, well, really the first like less than a mile out from that trailhead. Laurel Falls is around here, but I don't know where. Yeah, so to finish up the plan, because Tally was going to the bathroom. Oh, so yeah, I think this, I mean, if I get to keep the dog, I'm going to name him Tally for talisman, which is just like a good, something that you have for good fortune and good luck. Kind of came to me yesterday, and I was like, I don't even know what a talisman, like what is a talisman? And then I looked it up, and it just is like, oh, something that you have that's good, yeah, good fortune and good luck. So I'll call him Tally for short. But I mean, I guess I'm getting ahead of myself a little because I could have to give him back to his owner. I'm gonna look today after I get back to Boots Off. So that's the plan right now, is to get back to Boots Off by like noon or something, you know, just a short day. And then I'll like do my due diligence to look for his owner. Because if he's, you know, missed and loved by somebody, I don't want to, you know, take him from them. So gonna look around, and then after that, if I can't find anybody, then I'm gonna figure out, okay, what does it mean to have a dog on trail? How do I do this? How do I be a good dog owner? How do I become a dog owner? Like, I feel like I need to give him a bath and need to get him, oh my God, this bridge is so beautiful. Just all these things. So I'm excited. Oof. Let me show you. Tally. Boy. Look at this big, beautiful bridge. Oh my God, all this water. Uh-oh. Tally, what are you doing? Don't get swept away. He's such a smart dog. Tally. Tally. Whoa, what is he doing? Tally. You silly dog. What are you doing? You need a little bath? Yeah, he does need a bath. Get in more so you can give yourself a little bath. Is that fun? Yeah. Good boy. You figured it out. Oh, no jumping. Don't even think about it. Yeah, it looks beautiful, huh? Yes, it looks beautiful. Yes, how do we go play in that water? I know. Tally, no, come on. Come on, Tally. Look at him, listen. Wow. He just stays right with me. I need to get my selfie stick out so I can like show you better. Look, you just like, say hi. Say hi to everybody. Hello. Yes. He's been so sweet. I can't believe he's won me over so much. Beautiful day. Look at this dog. Hello. Okay, coming down this super long staircase, but look at these falls. Ooh, pretty cool. Tally keeps howling like that. I don't know how he's feeling. How you feeling, buddy? How you feeling, pal? Wow. Okay, this is just so beautiful. The colors this morning. My goodness. Look at this. Tally, what is Tally doing? Wow. 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 People up there. Oopsies. I went the wrong way, Tally. I'm sorry. Wow, so cool. Like walking along this crest of this rock right next to the river. So cool. Yeah. Oh, this bridge is bouncy. We're climbing up this peak, one big climb for the day, and then it's a straight shot right down to Boots Off. So it's been so beautiful. Like, I really wasn't expecting to walk along that river for so long and to see all those cliffs. And just having Tally, I feel so happy. Like, he's just so perfect for me. He's so good. He doesn't jump up on anybody, and he hasn't like jumped up on me even, or licked me, or licked anybody else. He's friendly with other dogs. And like, I have Boots Off let me borrow a leash. So today, as I've been passing other hikers, which hasn't happened much, I've either held him or put him on the leash just to try to be respectful. But he's just so good and natural right now off leash. And he's new to me, so it doesn't really make sense for me to leash him the whole time we're hiking together. So yeah, more later. It's a beautiful morning, almost to the top of the climb. Taking a little break, we're just about to the top. Tally got some water at this stream and don't want to push him too hard. I think he wanted to sit down for a bit, but he's probably already ready to go. We only have 3 more miles back down the mountain, and then we're at Boots Off again. Yeah, what's that about? What's wrong, Bubba? Oh, little Tally. He's just so good. Oh, this smooth downhill is like my favorite grade. It's just not too many roots, not too many rocks, at least none that I can see or feel under these leaves. Very gentle, soft ground. Switchbacks as I go down the mountain. Well, as we go down the mountain. Huh, Bubba? Oh, yes. Wow. First really good view of the lake. Oh, it's so beautiful out. You see that little nugget behind me? There he is. So cute. Wow, blue waters. Oh. Look at this little pup. Okay, so we just left the AT to head towards Boots Off. It's right up this road. Come on. It's super cool up here. Oh, I put Tally on the leash since we're around vehicles and roads and other people probably soon, and I'm not sure how he's gonna, he doesn't really come when he's interested in sniffing other things. I mean, he's eventually come back every time he's kind of run off. So, I don't know, but best practice, I think, is probably to put him on the leash. So, he's on the leash. Okay, so me and this little nugget made it back to Boots Off. Oh, I haven't even taken off my pack yet, but look how cute this is. Oh, it was only an 8-mile day, actually. I don't know why I was thinking it was supposed to be 12. So it was super short, really easy, beautiful. So nice. So now I'm going to spend the afternoon. I'm going to call around and see if there's anyone looking for this dog. Kind of this other hiker, Merlin, kind of put out some feelers on Facebook. So see if we can find anyone looking for him. And going to edit some videos and then, like, I don't know, figure out everything I need to do, like, to take care of this dog on trail and what he needs as far as, like, food, and everything is like, oh my gosh, this is crazy. I can't believe I'm gonna do this. But I don't know, I feel really connected to him, so I kind of hope that, like, he's gonna be mine. Oh shoot, I should have turned this off, huh? Oopsies, I left the heater on. I'm silly. He gets hot and he just, like, wants to hide on the floor. Oh, are you too hot? He wants to go outside. Yes. So we'll go outside and hang out there while I kind of work on things. And yeah, so, oh my gosh, look how cute this is. Tally. Oh, cutie. Just go. This is our cute little cabin. Oh, it looks so tiny, but it's actually so spacious inside. Come on. He's like, I don't want to go inside. Come on, come on. So we're not staying in the bunkhouse, but look how cute this little, this little tiny bunkhouse is. This property is amazing. We're enjoying it, huh? We're gonna have a bath. Okay? Ready? We'll get you some soap. See the soap? Don't eat it. Don't eat it. See this? Oh, it's okay. Yes. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Woo! What do you think? Come here. Come on. You want some? You want a treat? You want a treat? Have a treat. Have a little sip. Good boy. Now it's still time to get all wet. Good boy. Oh.
You need another quarter. Look, he's liking that rub down.
Yeah.
He's like, you want to hang around?
This is gonna be normal. We're gonna do this all the time. Yes. It's okay. Yes. It's okay. I just want to get that soap off of you, okay? Gotta get all the soap off of you. Come on, Mr. Talisman. It's okay.
Did you call Mr. Talisman?
Mr. Talisman, yes. It's okay. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's okay. It's okay. Good boy. Good boy. It's okay. I know. It's okay. It's okay. You're gonna fucking fall. He's like, this is cold. It sucks. Let's see. Come check it out. Come check it out. Just some water, okay? Just some water. Let's get some water on your face. Yes. Good boy. Good boy. Come on, good boy. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Come on. Ready? Oh, you're doing so good. Yes, you are. Look. What is it? It's gonna be warm. Look, look, look. Come here. Come here, Tally. Come here. Good boy. You're doing so good. I'm so proud of you. Yes, we're gonna get you all warm. We're gonna get you all dry. Yes, good job. You did so good.
My nose is tingling. That's cute.
He's really doing good. You're doing so good. You're looking so shiny now. Yeah. Let's get you some more. Let's get you some more.
So if I need to do a single strap, but if I need a Y strap, I can do carabiners and Y strap. That way I can take it out and off.
So
Never want to carry a bear.
Oh, yeah.
So knowing that he doesn't have any is phenomenal.
Okay, so it has been a very nice and relaxing, kind of frazzled day. I contacted some folks about like reaching out to see if this pup that followed me yesterday has a home that the owner is looking for him. My hiking friend Merlin, who's been helping out, he posted his picture on Facebook, and we weren't able to find anyone looking for this dog. And I've pretty much decided to take him. So, yeah, I spent the day like figuring out what I need to do to, I'm like in bed now. And he is over here. Let's see, he's asleep. I don't think you can see him. But, yeah, so, yeah, I'm a dog mom now. I have zero idea what to do. I cannot believe this dog won me over. Yeah, I feel really excited. I have a vet appointment in Damascus. Until we get there, I'm gonna carry his food, and like I might have him just use my sleeping liner if he needs, or like my extra puffy. I might try to put that over him and put him on like my tiny Tyvek and I got a leash, like the dollar store had like a small leash that I could use for him. So I don't know. This is so crazy. I can't believe I'm keeping him, but it feels so excited to have a little companion that loves hiking, that feels most comfortable in the woods. Like I can tell, like he's just like restless, like being in town, like at this hostel. Like he's been doing so well. And Pringles, the manager here at Boots Off, has been so helpful. She has been amazing and so supportive and encouraging about all of this, and kind of helping me see that, you know, like this is a really big deal. This is like a big thing that I'm taking on, but also just like really, yeah, like believing in me, like that I can kind of do the thing. So yeah, I just wanted to finish up this video and kind of let you guys know how the day went. I resupplied with and got him some food. So we are all ready to pack up tomorrow. I'm not going to be in a super hurry to get out early. I don't have to take a shuttle or anything since I hiked in to this hostel. And even though I stayed here 2 nights, I didn't slack pack. I did take my full backpack. It was just like almost empty of food because I was coming here. And yeah, I can just like hop right back on the trail from this hostel. So like that's really, really, really nice. And it's just like 16 miles, I think. So me and Tally will do that so fast, probably, or at least like half the day. It's not a very long day, so I'm gonna probably get some journaling done in the morning and drink coffee and pack up, and I'm excited to have him on the trail with me. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!